The Levi's Denim Shirt, aka the Classic Western Shirt. It is one of the most casual lumberjack shirt style in any man's wardrobe. And in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Levi's Classic Western Shirt long sleeve in light blue. I'm gonna talk about how they look, how they fit, whether they are worth it or not. And without further ado, let's begin. First up, let's talk about its aesthetics, right? How it looks. Now, the Levi's brand is known for its classic denim design, the representation of the blue collar and the lumberjacks. First up, we have the two very prominent snap pockets on the chest, and we have the red Levi's logo on the left pocket. We have 6 snap buttons on the front placket. The buttons resembles the mother of pearl design, which is a very nice touch. We also have the point collar and a regular top button on the collar. This is a long sleeve version. We also have the 2 snap buttons on each of the cuffs, which looks very nice. There are 2 patches of extra fabrics on the front on top of the chest, as well as a huge patch of extra fabric on the upper back for added durability if you need to carry heavy stuff on your shoulders. The shirt also features a nicely curved shirt tail hem. And check it out, right? This is the inside out view. Nothing much really going on there. The Levi's denim shirt comes in 2 colors, light wash and dark wash. I chose the light wash version because it is more summery and it works better in the warm weather right here in Singapore. So for the design, you just can't get as iconic as this, so I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. And next up, let's talk about its fit. The Levi's Classic Western Shirt comes in a standard classic fit. I gotta say, it fits me pretty well right off the bat. It fits just right on the chest and just a little bit roomy on the waist, and it fits perfectly on the sleeves. I am 181 centimeters, a little bit less than 6 foot. I'm 78 kilograms, 172 pounds, and I am wearing size M. I normally wear size L or XL when I shop in Uniqlo or H&M, but for Levi's, I definitely have to size down at least 1 size or even 2 sizes. I would say that it will fit most regular person well, and plus there is a big size version on their US site for bigger fellas. So for the fit, I am gonna give it an 8 out of 10. Okay, next up, let's talk about its comfortability. I gotta say, I am quite happy with the comfortability of the Levi's Classic Western Shirt because it is not as stiff as I thought it would be. Shirts and jackets from Levi's used to be super stiff and require some time to break them in, but for the Classic Western Shirt, it is soft to the touch right off the bat. The fabric is also not very thick, so it won't be too stuffy to wear in the summer or if you are doing some manual labor. The fabric is also just a little bit stretchy, which I also very much appreciate. So for comfortability, I am gonna give it a solid 9 out of 10. Next up, let's talk about its quality and its durability. It is made of 100% cotton. Nothing much needs to be said. And for the buttons, although it looks like mother of pearl, but I doubt it is real mother of pearl and the website doesn't say. So I will assume it is made of plastic, which I'm not surprised at all at its price point. So for quality, I am gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Okay, next up, let's talk about its affordability. The Levi's Classic Western Shirt retails for 59.5 USD, and in Singapore it retails for 89 Singapore dollars. Levi's tends to go on sale a lot of the time, so you can get it for 35.7 USD, which is a great bargain. So for affordability for a denim shirt, it is not super expensive, but it is not super cheap either, so I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. And overall, the Levi's Classic Western Shirts get an 8.5 out of 10. It is pretty good, right? Not bad at all. Definitely recommend it to anyone looking to get their first ever denim shirt. And that is it for today's video. If you like this review, make sure to smash that thumbs up button to let me know you're having super dope review, man. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Have a great day, y'all, and I'll see every single one of you guys in my next video. Bam!